Now moving on to the next segment here, that is ascending and the descending order. Now you all are familiar with what are ascending and descending order. So here in ascending and descending order, let's see how we can compare the different numbers. Ascending order basically means what? When we move from smallest to the largest number. For example, if we are comparing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we want to write it in ascending order, that means we have to arrange the number from smaller to the largest number. This is ascending order, and its opposite will be descending order. So in descending order, we have to write the number from largest to smallest. That means first of all, the largest number is written, and after that we goes on decreasing the number. You can also remember this from a trick, like down stands from D. The word down, it starts from D, okay? And descending, that means when you are going down, you are writing the number in descending order. So with down word, you can learn the trick of descending, and its opposite will be ascending. Isn't it very easy and simple to learn about ascending and descending order? Yes? Okay, let's move on to the next segment here. Now to concise it, we can say order of number. Ordering of a number means writing the number either in ascending or in descending order. So here we can use two different ways, ascending or descending. In ascending, we have to, the arrangement of the number is from smallest to greatest, and in descending, the arrangement is from greatest to the smallest number. Now here let us see an example to it. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Few numbers are given to you and we have to write it in ascending order. That means we have to arrange the number from smaller to bigger numbers. So how we can proceed? First of all, we have to find which is the smallest of all these numbers. Now to start comparison, we need to first see how many digits are there in a number. Now this is a 3-digit number, this is a 4-digit number and a 3-digit number. That means there are two numbers having 3 digits, 847 and 571. And which one of them will be smaller number? So yes, 571 is the smallest number and will be written first in the sequence. After this, we will write 847. Now remaining two numbers, 9754 and 8320. On comparing these two, we found the number with 8000 will be smaller. So that number will be written first, and then we will finally write the number 9754. And this is your sequence in ascending order. Isn't it very simple now? So next topic in the queue is shifting of digits. That means if two numbers are given, or if in a number there are different digits, obviously a number is made up of different digits, right? It may be a single digit number, it may be a 2-digit number, it may be a 3-digit number, and so on. So by shifting the digits in a given number, what happens? We get a new number, right? For example, if you see a number 358, and if I shift the digit say at the units place and hundreds place, if I interchange them, if I shift them, then will I get a new number? Yes, I'll get 853, which is absolutely a different number than 358. So when we shift digits, we get different numbers. And obviously, it isn't the only number which we get on shifting. You may shift here 5 and 8. You may shift here 5 and 3 also. So by shifting digits, you can form various numbers from a given set of digits. Isn't it interesting? So try few more numbers which can be framed using these three different digits, 8, 5 and 3. One of them is 358 and 853. Let me tell one more to you, 538. So in this manner, you can try with more such numbers. Now, in the next segment, we will read about the numbers greater than thousands. Till now, what you have read in your grade 5 is the places till 1000, like units, tens, 100, 1000. Now, we are going on to the higher side of the number, that means moving towards a greater number having 10,000. After that, we will come across the number which has lakh also, then 10 lakh, then crore, then 10 crore and so on. So here to begin with the number 10,000. The greatest single digit number. Now how we are getting this number? We know which is the greatest single digit number. How many digits are there in all? So there are 10 digits. If you start counting, you will see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In all there are 10 digits. Okay, from 0 to 9 there are 10 digits. But which is the greatest single digit number? So I can say the greatest single digit number is 9. And if I add 1 to 9, what is my answer? The answer will be 10. And 10 has 2 digits, 1 and 0. So we can say if to 9 I add 1, I am getting 10. I can also relate it to the greatest 1 digit number. If I add 1, I am getting the smallest 2 digit number. Similarly, if to the greatest 2 digit number, that is 99, if I add 1 to it, what number we'll get is 100. Now here there is 3 digits. So to a greatest 2 digit number, on adding 1, we get the smallest 3 digit number. And in the sequence we can also see to the greatest 3 digit number, that is 999, plus 1 we get 1000, which is the smallest 4 digit number. And in the queue again we notice that to the greatest 4 digit number, if we add 1, we are getting 10,000. So in this way we get an introduction to the number 10,000s. Now how and where we can use these numbers? For this, let us revise the place values. So expanding a 2 digit number given to you, for example 99 is given to you. How can we expand 99? You can write 99 as 90 plus 9. Okay, but 90 can further be split as 9 times 10 plus 9 can be written as 9 times 1. Now why 9 is multiplied by 10? Because in the number 99, the first 9 is at the tens place. So tens place digit is multiplied by 10 and the units place digit is multiplied by unit, that is 1. So we can say 90 plus 9 you get 99. Isn't it simple? Similarly, expanding a 3 digit number, for example 735. So how to write that number? 7 times 100, 3 times 10 and 5 times 1. We get the number here 700 plus 30 plus 5. That gives you 735. In the same way, you may expand any 4 digit number or a 5 digit number. The only thing that you have to ensure is in the number, suppose 735, 7 is on the hundreds place. So 7 will be multiplied by 100. 3 is on the tens place. So 3 is multiplied by 10. 5 is on the units place, so 5 is multiplied by unit, that is 1. So in general we can say whenever any number is given to you and you want to write it in expanded form, write the digit whatever is given to you and multiply by its place. So multiply 7 by the place of 7 and finally you get the place value of 7 as 700. The place value of 3 is 30. The place value of 5 is 5. And in this way you can write the number in the expanded form. Now, how to introduce the next number which is greater than something like 10,000s? So for this, let us see, when we add 1 to the greatest 5 digit number, that is 10,000 is the smallest 5 digit number. So the greatest 5 digit number will be 99,999. And if we add 1 to the number, what we get? We get the smallest 6 digit number. And if to the greatest 6 digit number we add 1, we get the smallest 7 digit number. And the chain continues. Also we can see the smallest 6 digit number here will be 1 lakh. So when to the largest 5 digit number, that is 99,999. This is the largest 5 digit number. If to this we add 1, the number which we get is 1 lakh. That means here we are getting the smallest number of 6 digits. And in this way we got the introduction of the number 1 lakh. I hope it is now clear to you. So you can find out by which number when we add 1 to it we get the smallest 7 digit number. So to get the smallest 7-digit number, we need to add 1 to the greatest 6-digit number, and the chain will continue in this manner. So just try the same on your own also.